Hello student, in this video we'll see how to create simple calculator to perform arithmetic operations. To perform here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I have created here 4 buttons: add, subtract, multiplication and division. And to enter three text field I have created here by using this object T1, T2 and T3. Means this text field is for to enter first number, this text is for enter second number, and third text field is for result, and this label is for like enter first number, enter second number. Then we need to add and this label is for result. We suppose if you are performing addition, it will print the label there addition. Suppose subtraction is there, then it will print subtraction in this way. Then add the component properly here: L1 T1, L2 T2, L3 T3. T3 is for the result, and add button here B1, B2, B3, B4. I have added all 4 buttons. So if everyone know, once we are performing the operation on button, we need to implement action listener. Once action listener is there, it defines the method, that is action perform method. See here, we need to override this method in program. Once button component is there, suppose if you are performing the operation on the button, we need to define this method in program action perform method, and it has only one parameter, action event AE. Then we need to register the component B1, B2, B3, B4. We need to register this component. Why this only? Why not text field label? Because of we are performing only activity, only operation on the button component only. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This button component we need to register with this class by using method. With this class means which class? See, with this class B1, B2, B3 and B4, we need to register with this class by using method add action listener. See, add action listener here, this always refer to the current class, and which is our current class? Cal is our current class. And once we click on the button B1, and B1 is for the addition. How we know? B1 because the add title is there, B2 subtraction title is there, B3 MUL title is there, and B4 DIV title is there. Means if we click on the button B1, we are going to perform addition on B1 button. Then you write here, we need to write the condition, and AE will provide the information about the process and event. So write here for addition. First we'll write the code for addition, how to perform the addition operation. In action perform method, we need to write the statement whichever we want after clicking on any component. So suppose if we are clicking on B1 button, so first we need to get the values from the text field. So how to get the values from the text field? Declare the variable here. Suppose N1 is for first number, then integer dot parseInt, integer dot parseInt, integer dot parseInt. Then T1 is for first number. So you can use any text field object here. T1 whichever declared above. T1 dot get text method is used to retrieve the text from text field. Which text field we are getting the text here? T1. Then this terminated by semicolon, and take values from text field 2. Then another number. Then write here again the same integer dot parseInt. Why we are converting this? Because text field always store the data in text format, and we need to convert that text value into the integer. Means this statement integer dot parseInt will convert the text value into the integer. Integer dot parseInt convert text to integer here, because I have declared this variable as an integer. Then here we are getting the data from text field 2. Then this method get text method will get the data from text field 1, and this method will get the data from text field 2. But that data is in the text format. Then we need to convert this data into the integer. That's why I have used here class proper class integer dot parseInt. Now write here if AE dot get source. If your source is V1 button, AE dot get source is equal to B1, then find out the addition. So what will write? Add, int add. I declare this variable here, int add. Then how to perform the addition? Then write here N1 plus N2. n1 plus n2 addition. Then set the label. What we are performing, L dot set text. L dot set text means we are setting the label here. L dot set text what? Addition. Addition, and then write here, and then put the result in third text field. How to put the result in third text field? And we need to take the object here t3 dot set text, and again text field store the data in text format. Then we need to convert it into text format. Then which wrapper class is there? Integer dot toString. Integer dot toString, and variable is our variable is add. Then likewise write for if ae dot get source. The same, I will copy this part, only will change the sign here. Control C and paste here. Then second button, I am performing the operation on second button. B2 is for the subtraction. Then you write here the same minus sign, put here minus sign, subtraction symbol, and write here, change the variable name subtract, and write here subtraction. Once subtraction operation is there, it will change the label, that subtraction. And here then again t3 dot set text, here write subtraction. Then same for multiplication. Then write here for multiplication operation. A dot get source is suppose b3. B3 is for multiplication. Then write here multiplication symbol, and write here take variable multiplication. Write here also multiplication. Multiplication. Then it was to convert this into text format right here. No? Then again the last button. Then for fourth button is for division. Then write here division symbol, and then write here division variable suppose, and write here the division. Write here division and add here division variable. Then I have written the code for all these four button here, and close it properly. I have closed this one also. I think we need to remove one bracket here, because this class I have closed here, and main class. Okay. Then save this file and compile this. Then multiplication L variable is error is there, L dot set text. So we need to write here L3, because I have declared here L3, otherwise you declare L here, and again we need to change here also, then L. Okay. We need to change here also L and T3, correct. Then run this file. See, I got this screen window. Then suppose enter number here, any number here, suppose 8. Then here number 2. Then perform the addition. Addition here will get a addition. Suppose if you are clicking on subtraction, so we'll get subtraction here. Then multiplication, then here we'll get a multiplication. And suppose if you are performing the division here, then we'll get a division here. And see here side by side, this label is also changing here. This label See here, this addition. Suppose once we click on add button, so it is showing addition here. See, I have entered here 8 and entered here 2. Then click on subtraction here, it will perform the subtraction operation here, and this label will automatically change.